How would you know that you will be good in data science? In our experience over the last 15 years and training thousands and thousands of people across different age groups in data science, one of the most important factors which comes out to ensure that you are a good data scientist is that you should be a person who, number one, is curious by nature. You should ensure that you're never satisfied till you get to the bottom of the thing. It is not about how much Python you know or how much machine learning you know. First is deep levels of curiosity. If you have high levels of curiosity, then the next one is, do you like looking at numbers and data? And do you enjoy reading? If the answer to these two is yes, then surely you can be a great data scientist.